gotta go through the red and green buoys so we don't run up on the sandbar, which is right there. He puts a sandbar in the little bay. It goes all the way across. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's just straight up. Looks like sand, but I'm sure it's rock. We tried to put the sails up. There's so many crosswinds in here that we'll be tacking like riprap. No, I know, but I'm just saying. Keeping our eyes open for whales. Watching the weather. So there's some whale watchers there. Saw a fin. Then that one boat comes racing in, so probably gonna scare him our way and run right into it.
There it is. Right of that boat.
The right of which boat?
The fast moving thing.
You saw a fin?
Just to the right of him. I see him. Almost a straight line now, probably. That's what I was flying.
We paid the big bucks for predict wind. They're just as wrong as everyone else.
What is in here?
They got 3 weeks, I think, of trial. But if they continue to be this wrong, we are canceling.
It's just too unpredictable up in there. Well, you got buoys. You got buoys. Otherwise, we're just going to be the... It's not worth it.
We're in the washing machine.
You're not making it any better.
Anybody seasick yet? Well, we found Perce rock. Now if we could just get to it. We're attacking the waves because, yeah, it's not pretty out here. Why, we don't know. So, note when you're coming out of Gas Bay, try and stay in deeper water because the waves were really not fun.
When you get out there, back toward the bay, it gets a little rough.
Well, rough.
Stay over 200 feet in the water if you can.
A little rough.
170.
Looks like a whale watching boat over there. Where? Come here.
There, we could have seen the whale. But we didn't go there.
No, we didn't go there. We don't have a rubber boat. We turn the corner and the seas calm down. We just passed the Indian Head. That's what the point is called. there's Perce Rock and St. Bonaventure. We have a really nasty looking storm just off the starboard. Not cool. Hopefully we'll get to where we're going before it tries to kill us. So it's Ile Bonaventure. St. Bonaventure, that's the school. And I guess it has lots of birds. Birds. Gannet birds. There's like that cloud. Yeah, I know. That's Perce. That's through my rigging. Bonaventure. I'll get out of the boat in a minute. After we get closer to Perce Rock. You see the sunbeams shining down? Hopefully that doesn't turn into an anvil shape. We're getting closer. Crawled out of the cockpit to get a better picture. Perce Rock and Ile Bonaventure with all the mating birdies on it. Ah. There's a little sailboat over there. Very brave. Brave sailboat. That town is Perce, and that rock you can walk to at low tide, I guess. We're getting closer. Perce Rock. Woo! Sort of there. We're also watching out for the storm right here.
They stay on the same road. I can't speed up.
Taking video. Yes.
I can't see it.
Oh my God.
Where are you going? The wrong way. Are you kidding me? You can stick me in here and I'll feel bunghole. Bunghole.
That's Perce Rock. You really still can't even see the colors in it. Because of this stinking cloud. Yes, there are colors in it. Who's got a time for enhancement? I don't know where it is.
Thank God we won.
It keeps going the other way.
I saw a thing in the back.
Yay!
No?
I think I know it. What a cute little town. We got a road that goes like straight up.
I'm gonna stay there. Okay.
You think? That's what I said.
Sunday?
Yes.
Oh, do it.
That's beautiful. Now the sun's on it. Woo! There you go, Perce Rock in all its glory. And Perce. Nice. Thank you. That side of the rock. There's a cute little town. There's a storm over there. It appears to be affecting a smaller prey. Okay with that. Goodbye, Perce Rock.